Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. It's good to have you all here. I hope you're having a great start of this weekend. And in this video, obviously, we'll be talking about Manta again. All right, Manta itself, fundamentally, I always like to look at that at the start of the videos just to set a positive tone. Total value locked is still doing great, still making all-time highs right now around $630 million. So Manta is doing great. Talking about the technicals, I think the technicals are a little bit more ambiguous. All right. Yesterday, if you still remember the analysis, I had the same idea. I also thought it was a little bit weird. So what I said is that, all right, well, we're in this box right here. We're consolidating, which we did all the way until the evening, until we broke out about, well, in the night, actually. Wow. Pretty late if you think about all the bullish momentum we had over the course of the day yesterday. So yeah, but ultimately we got that bullish breakout, and what I said in the video is that, all right, if we can actually break above 2.85 again, which is our main resistance level, or was our main resistance level, then I think we actually turn into a little bit more of a bullish market structure, and then we can actually have some sort of bullish momentum. I did see somebody say that this could be some sort of a bearish flag, and I agree with that. All right, technically this could be a bearish flag. All right, if you look at it like this, downtrend, bit of an uptrend, bit of a flag right here. This is a beautiful flag, as you can see. If you look at that way, yes, it is a bearish flag. And could that still turn out to be true? Yes. However, you must think about more than just chart patterns, all right? And at this moment, given the state that the market is in, I would say that the bearish flag becomes less likely. It's still a possibility. Like what I expect from here, and that's also what I said yesterday, is that after breaking above 2.85, I expect more bullish momentum. You can also see that the open interest right here is increasing. So I have enough reason to believe that we'll actually go up higher towards this bigger resistance level right here between, well, around $3. Now, could we find resistance there? And while Bitcoin drops down, that we get a bearish breakout and this really is confirmed to be a bearish flag? Yes, but at this moment, like I said, due to the market circumstances, I don't think it's most likely. So if you look at Manta right now, in terms of technicals, it's kind of hard to say what's going on. The EMAs were pretty flat, like I said, until earlier this night. Right now, they seem to be sloping up. We also found support here at a strong level. This could be some sort of a point of reversal. So we have that confirmation. So I do think more bullish momentum is most likely. But if you look at Manta right here, you can see that there's, especially in this level right here at like $3 and 3.05, there is a lot of resistance. So I think Manta will be bullish, but I'm not expecting any huge moves. Like if the open interest actually continues to go up like this, and it starts to rally like it also did yesterday afternoon and in the morning, well, then more is possible. But for now, I think it's more likely that we'll just kind of test support here, that will consolidate, slowly move up to $3 and 3.05. And if the open interest stays bullish from there, we'll also break above that and start to move up towards 3.2 and 3.25, the big resistance level up here, where, if I'm not mistaken, which I already was at the liquidity heat map, so I didn't need to click it again. But if I'm not mistaken, I also think that there's quite a lot of liquidity there. So that does work as kind of as some sort of a magnet. Yeah, you can see that right here. Also at 3.05, all right? So bullish momentum is most likely. There's a lot of liquidity up here. Open interest is looking good. And just in terms of the technicals, we are more bullish than bearish. But Manta has been behaving strange lately. And like I said, some sort of a bearish flag pattern is a possibility. So just be careful, right? Honestly, I wouldn't risk too much on Manta. Personally, I'm also not trading it right now, so that might speak to that. So be careful. But now at least, hopefully, you know what you need to know. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group if you want to know when I'm taking a trade, etc. on Manta, or just in general what I'm trading. But that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.